Alright, assalamualaikum everyone and welcome back to ICP update. Today my technical target is nearly met for that mini head and shoulder that I showed you in the previous videos. Yeah, so you have ICP that created this another head and shoulder which was on the 1 hour time frame. If I zoom in there, so you had the left shoulder printed, head, the right shoulder, and you even broke down, you went for the retest, got rejected. I think this was one of the most beautiful, perfect pattern that played out, even though there's a lot of manipulation going on at the moment. But it doesn't end there, because 4 days ago I told you that I'm closing ICP trade. I was in the trade and I actually give it a lot of thought, and I noticed that on the 4 hour time frame we do have the ascending head and shoulder. So yes, the right shoulder is still being printed out. It's only a matter of time when you get below the resistance, you break the resistance, retest it, and then go to the downside. So the future glimpse is on the 1 hour time frame. Okay, learn from the smaller time frame what happens in the bigger picture. So if we go into the small picture, consider this being your 4 hour time frame. Consider you right now, consider yourself that, you know, this is ICP and we're probably somewhere right over here. ICP is trading at this point, right? It's only a matter of time when you break down, you retest, and then this is what is about to happen to that technical target. So that what I just show you on the smaller time frame is nothing different than this on the 4 hour time frame, if it makes any sense. Okay, I'm not going to confuse you. That's everything you need to know. 1 hour time frame, here's a little bit of that detail, and you can learn that and apply it on a bigger detail like this. Invalidation, it happens at 14.179. all right, this is crypto, anything can happen. If you're not going to be breaking, number one, if you're not going to break below the neckline, there are still some few more checks to come, and that is break the trend line, go back for the retest, and then drop. Right, that hasn't happened. So this is still a pattern. Okay, we're not entertaining this pattern at all. The day you're going to entertain it is the day you break it and then you retest and then you fall down. That's when you really take it seriously. Now if you end up coming up to 14.17, let's say you have investors, all of a sudden Bitcoin gets bullish because bearish divergence hasn't happened. We still have a bullish divergence on ICP on the daily as well. And eventually they come down, they push it up, they take out 14.164. That means you have destroyed the right shoulder and this pattern here, which also is equal to destroying the whole pattern gets destroyed and you don't have its effect anymore. So this is where you are going to have to flip to the other side. Otherwise, time is still pending. We're going to see, I think we're going to get our answers before 10 of February, so maybe 10 more days, and then we're going to see what happens. So that's it for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.